I'm currently trying to replace my Roku Express remote, Roku Express 4K with the volume and the mic button. I have two of these, and both controllers are broken. One is just drains battery, and I press buttons and it doesn't respond. This other one, the volume button's really broken and doesn't work too well. So, anyways, first point is on the 4K Roku Express, the remote just is not. It's fragile for me, so it might just be my own experience. Tried looking online for a replacement remote for my 4K Express, and it's. I think it's going to cost as much as buying it from Roku, which is about $10. You can see over here, there's one for $11, $12. I'm sure I can find for something here at $10. I don't want to spend $10. Here it's less if I buy two. So I'm a bit annoyed that the remote died on me. So, anyways, I installed the Roku app, and for the most part now, I'm just going to use my phone to control things. The most annoying thing is changing the volume, which I can change the volume by pressing the microphone and saying volume down or volume up, but it causes the volume to go down like 4 notches. It says if pressing the volume button down 4 times, or if I go volume up, it'll go the volume up 4 times. So that's a little annoying. But anyways, this is still a better workaround for me right now than purchasing a $10 remote. I don't want to spend $10 when the whole device cost me $20, $27. So anyways, that's my dilemma for today. I have two broken Roku 4K Express remotes, and I don't want to spend $10 for each remote to replace it. I'll just use my phone, the Roku app. Over and out.